I just realized I wasn't videotaping. So what I did is I put some rosemary. I made some steaks. Actually T-bone. Just see that? And I put garlic in here, rosemary, and butter. So just got them down. So it's 2 T-bones. And I thought I was showing y'all the preparation. I basically took the garlic cloves. Let's see. And I put them under here because that's going to give it the flavor along with the rosemary. I also marinated the meat, so it's been sitting in the fridge with the seasoning on for a few hours. So just thought I was showing it, but I guess not. And let's see here. This fresh rosemary makes all the difference. This meal. So different than using the store-bought seasoning. It's nice and fresh, straight from the farm. And actually the meat, if you can't guess by now, David has been watching the game. But anyway, the meat is straight. I'm saying anyway because I'm an Alabama fan and Alabama lost. Anyway, um, straight from the farm, everything from the farm. The meat is from the farm. So, and pretty much, it grills so nice in this cast iron pan. Sometimes, because this stove is it's propane, believe it or not. So again, as we're showing things of kind of how we live in Hawaii, it's pretty, again, outdoor living. This is a cottage that's detached, so that's one of the reasons why. But I think a lot of people use the propane because we do at the farm too. So, all right, just see it cooking here a little bit more. Can you see? If you can see that. So, awesome. We'll be back when it's done. Oh, I'm making sweet potatoes and I have cabbage with it today. And David, I'm sure, will get a Hawaiian roll. All right, and that's dinner on the 4th. On the 1st, we don't celebrate New Year's during this time, but I remember Bishop used to say this all the time. How you start off your year will determine the rest of the year. And so, hey, starting with T-bone steaks, we're going to have a good year. That's the Civic year, 2024.